In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a repeating journal in Xero. A repeating journal is really useful when you have the same journal entries that need to be posted on a regular basis, like monthly accruals, prepayments, or recurring adjustments. Setting this up once can save you a lot of time and help keep your accounts consistent and accurate. First, make sure you're logged into Xero, then head into your organization or into the demo company if you're just practicing. Using the demo company is a great way to get comfortable without affecting any real data, so if you're still learning, I recommend starting there. Once you're in the main dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu and click on the Accounting tab. This is where Xero groups most of the tools related to your general ledger and reporting. From the Accounting menu, select Manual Journals. This area shows you existing manual journals and is also where you'll create new ones. Even if you normally use automated transactions, it's important to know how to manage this section, because repeating journals are controlled from here. Inside the Manual Journals page, look for an option that says New Repeating Journal and click on it. This is different from a standard new journal because you're telling Xero that this entry should repeat automatically based on a schedule you define. Now you'll be taken to the Repeating Journal setup screen where you can fill in the details. Start with the schedule. Choose how often you want the journal to repeat, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. Set the start date, and if needed, an end date or a number of repetitions. Think carefully about these dates so that the journal posts into the correct accounting periods. Next, complete the journal lines. Enter a clear narration or description so that anyone reviewing the accounts later can understand what this journal is for. Then add your debit and credit lines, choosing the appropriate accounts from your chart of accounts, and make sure the total debits equal the total credits. If this journal is related to tax, apply the correct tax rates where required. Take a moment to double check everything, because once these journals start repeating, mistakes can compound over time. When you're happy with the setup, you have two options. You can post the repeating journal, which activates it so Xero will create and post each journal according to the schedule, or you can save it as a draft. Saving as a draft is useful if you want someone else to review it, or if you're not completely sure of all the details yet. And that's it. You've created a repeating journal in Xero, helping automate your regular adjustments and keeping your accounts up to date with less manual work.